The way we communicate is now more than ever digital. So we got thinking of how we could help businesses all around the world to adapt and use new technology to connect, teach, and learn. Recreating workshop, classroom, or in-person bootcamp environments on the internet. And now, for the first time ever, we're ready to introduce a world-first software that's here to change how you sell on the internet forever, helping you to generate more traffic and charge more for your training. A software you can set up for your clients in minutes, helping you to cash in on more and more businesses going digital. Challenges by Member App, an easy-to-use software platform that creates in-person style workshops, talks, or progressive lectures within a beautiful private learning experience. Recreating the important, progressive, and engaging interactive in-person environment on the internet through result-focused, time-sensitive challenges. All within a visually appealing, professional, easy to maintain learning experience, transforming even the most dull of training courses into engaging and interactive challenges. Until now, if you wanted to recreate a workshop environment on the internet, you'd either need to create a crowded, distracting challenge through Facebook's group system, or pay thousands of dollars for a developer to create a custom learning environment to suit your needs. Now with Challenges by Member App, you can use the latest technology with beauty and flexibility to create a new kind of experience on the internet that promotes learning and student results within a few minutes and just 3 easy steps. Log into the software and create your challenge using our world-class designer to customize the look and feel of your challenge. Add your own logo, timeline cover or video. Adjust the color and font. Choose from a variety of different content you can add within your challenge. Plan your challenge within our easy-to-use drag and drop content planner. Add either lessons or quizzes. Click Edit to add content to your lessons and change the design. Select our calendar to choose what day your content will be unlocked for your students. Publish your challenge with one click. Send out either a free registration URL or direct your customers to a checkout where they can pay to join your challenge. You can even create challenge pre-launch pages. So when a student registers before your challenge has begun, the software automatically notifies them when the challenge begins, shows a countdown timer, and even gives a few links your students can use to share your challenge with their friends while they wait for it to begin. It's easy. In fact, you can set up and start selling your challenges in less than 5 minutes. You can package any training courses you have into challenges, then give the training away to skyrocket the amount of leads within your subscriber list. Then email your subscribers promoting other products or affiliate offers. Or sell your training in a new challenges format for between $37 and $1,997. It works in any niche. For example, if you're a videographer, you could create a 30-day challenge teaching people how to create engaging videos on a budget. Or if you have skills in health and fitness, you could create a 30-day Kickstarter fitness plan for your students to follow. Or maybe you're an online marketer. You could then create a 30-day challenge to create and launch your first funnel onto the internet. Or right now, one great way software companies are increasing sales is running a challenge that involves their software. They give away the challenge along with a free trial to their software. The training is then built around using the software. So if they help people to succeed or implement a new skill using their software during the trial, they've won a customer for life. One other popular way our initial beta testers are using challenges to make money is helping businesses to switch their training from in-person to remote. So instead of having a manager train employees in person, businesses can simply set up a progressive challenge their new employees can go through. It's a win for everyone because new employees can learn how to do a new job from home, and businesses save thousands of dollars that it would usually have cost if they had a manager training that employee one-on-one. All a manager now needs to do is watch a new employee go through the challenge and take a look at their quiz results to assess whether they've completed the training and they're ready to start that active role. In short, challenges are the newest and hottest way business owners are cashing in on their content online. And because we believe in this so strongly, we've worked extra hard to not only allow you to create challenges within your business, but enhance them with a wide range of incredible additional features that we've included within this package today, including automated quizzes that test your students' knowledge. They take just seconds to set up and look incredible. Assign students homework from within any of your lessons. Create action tasks that they can complete and submit for your review. Track your students' activity through our beautiful activity center that includes a leaderboard ranking your students based on their level of activity. Manage all of your students within one gorgeous student management interface, and that's just the beginning. Challenges by Member App takes your challenges to a new level, allowing you to charge premium prices, offer a world-class professional service, and interact with your students in a new, more engaging and personal way through the internet. Never before has a software like this been released. This is a new opportunity that you can cash in on within your own business, or you can take this brand new offer to clients and make money helping them to deploy money-making challenges in their own business. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Challenges by Member App.